A shining rainbow stretches across the sky, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. Animals cheer, children point up, and Noah smiles. Look, God's promise shines in every color. Long ago, people had forgotten to be kind. The world was full of noise and unkind choices. But one man still listened to God. His name was Noah, and he tried every day to do what was right. One morning, God spoke to Noah's heart. Build a big boat, Noah. A great flood will come, but I will keep you and your family safe. Noah blinked in surprise. A boat? On dry land? But he nodded. If God says it, I'll do it. He picked up his hammer and began to build. His sons helped, sawing and stacking wood taller than their house. Their neighbors laughed. A boat in your backyard? Noah smiled kindly. You'll see. God always has a plan. Tap like if you love brave heroes. When the ark was finally ready, something wonderful began to happen. From faraway forests, deserts, and meadows, animals appeared. Two by two, just as God had said. Elephants trumpeted with joy, rabbits hopped in neat little pairs, and sleepy lions padded gently beside tiny lambs. High above, sparrows fluttered in circles, chirping to say hello. Even the snails came, slowly sliding up the ramp with their shiny shells. Noah's children cheered and clapped. Look, Papa, they're really coming. Can you help count them too? 1, 2, 3, 4. Who's next? Maybe a tall giraffe or a waddling penguin. Look closely. There's a tiny dove hiding near the doorway. Noah smiled, his beard wet with happy tears. Everyone has a place in God's plan, he said. As the last tail disappeared inside, gray clouds gathered above. The wind whispered, then roared, and raindrops began to fall. Pitter-patter, whoosh. But the great boat stood strong, just as God promised. Days turned into weeks. The rain finally stopped, but water still stretched as far as Noah could see, just blue waves in every direction. The ark floated gently, like a little leaf on a big ocean. Sometimes Noah stood by the window, feeling the boat sway. When will we see land again? He whispered softly. His children missed running and playing. Will we ever step on grass again, Papa? Noah smiled kindly. Yes, my loves, we just have to trust. God hasn't forgotten us. Every morning they cared for the animals, feeding, brushing, and keeping them cozy. The elephants splashed each other, and the monkeys played tag on the beams. Laughter filled the ark, mixing with gentle waves outside. At night, they shared stories under the starlit window, singing songs of hope until everyone drifted to sleep. Even when the world outside was silent, inside the ark was full of faith, family, and love. Comment: I found it, if you spot the hidden dove again. At last, the ark bumped softly against a mountain peak. Land! Noah's family shouted with joy, leaning out the window to see the tall rocks and glimmering water below. But they couldn't leave yet. The ground was still too wet. So they waited patiently, trusting that the right moment would come. To find out if it was time, Noah opened a window and released a black bird called a raven. It flew here and there, never settling. Then Noah gently held a small white dove. Yes, the same little one we've been spotting. The dove fluttered into the sky, circling above the endless blue. Hours passed. Then flap, flap, flap. It returned, carrying a fresh green olive leaf. Noah gasped, his eyes filling with tears. Look, God is showing us that life is growing again. Everyone cheered. A few days later, he sent the dove again, and this time it didn't return. Smiling through happy tears, Noah knelt and prayed. Thank you, Lord, for keeping your promise. When Noah and his family stepped out of the ark, the air smelled fresh and clean. Grass waved, flowers opened, and the animals stretched after their long voyage. The sky began to glow as sunlight peeked through the clouds. Suddenly, a rainbow spread across the heavens, bright, wide, and full of colors. Everyone gasped in wonder. It's beautiful, cried one of Noah's sons. Noah lifted his hands. This is God's promise. He said, never again will a flood cover the whole earth. When you see a rainbow, remember my love. A drop of rain splashed on Noah's nose. He laughed. Even the sky is smiling. The tiny dove swooped by one last time, circling the rainbow before disappearing into the light. Animals danced and twirled in the grass, and Noah's family shared food, laughter, and happy tears. The world felt new again, bright, safe, and full of hope. Subscribe for a new Bible cartoon every week. Sometimes life feels stormy, and we might wonder if things will ever be okay again. But God's promises are like rainbows. They remind us that after every storm comes light and love. Even when we can't see the whole picture, we can trust that something beautiful is being painted above us. May your days shine with the colors of God's promise, love, peace, and joy for everyone.